Of all the insurance brokers in all the world, he had to walk into mine. Our boy wanted to insure his car, so we talked. I asked him some questions. He gave me some answers. Answers I had no reason to believe weren't true. We wrote the business, shook hands, and he left. Now I find out he's got a claim, which should be straightforward, but turns out our boy's got a rap sheet. Fines and convictions he never told me about. Fines and convictions that if the insurers had been made aware of, they wouldn't have agreed to the cover. So the claim's going to be declined due to non-disclosure. Our boy's going to be up for some big bucks. It ain't pretty. This month, we want to talk about disclosure and what it means for you, for us, and for the insurance underwriters. An insurance policy is essentially a contract between you and the insurers. The insurers agree to provide cover for you, providing that you disclose exactly what you need that cover for. You must also disclose all facts that are material to the acceptance of the insurance. This includes fines, convictions, bankruptcy, cancellation of previous policies, or refusals of cover from other insurance providers. If you fail to do this, the insurer can declare a policy void and use non-disclosure as grounds to decline a claim. Disclosure applies to all aspects of insurance. For example, if you have a history of driving offences, these will need to be disclosed when applying for vehicle insurance. If you've had medical issues in the past, these would need to be disclosed when applying for life insurance. If you're applying for business insurance as a mechanic, but also service aircrafts and ships, the insurer needs to know that too. Full disclosure will result in your application for insurance being rated correctly. Yes, this can mean that a higher premium will be applied, but a higher premium can pale in comparison to claim costs, especially if the claim is declined on grounds of non-disclosure. As your broker, we have a responsibility to obtain the correct information from you at the time of application and when reviewing your policy. As our client, you have the responsibility to notify us if anything changes within your policy period. Sometimes the change can be as minor as getting a speeding ticket. Other times it can be as major as taking on a new service contract that changes the nature of your business. When it comes to insurance, there's no one-size-fits-all solution. Every client and every policy is different, and that's why the team at Greenstone Insurance loves what they do. So, is there anything you're not telling us?